This is DP1500 2X model. It first went into production in 1997 and it's been refined ever since. And the coating chamber and then the electronic components are housed underneath. This has a PLC control, also a servo motor operation, and very simple, straightforward electronics. Okay, so from an operational point of view, this machine actually pins the panels in place. This model uses 2 pins, which also aligns the panels properly and helps hold thin panels. The thickness range of this machine is from 10 thousandths of an inch up to 250 thousandths. We also make a thick panel version which has capability up to 400 thousandths thick. The standard panel I'm demoing here is a 059 or 1.6 mm 18 by 20. The machine has a complete control panel of both automatic functions and manual functions. So you can operate the machine individually, manually, or in an automatic mode, the machine's computer takes over and makes the proper adjustments for you. So in order to reset the machine, I first clear the ready light and push the machine into a automatic mode and reset. The resetting mode has a finding home position, so it finds the home sensor, retracts, and resets. So every time that a machine resets, it clears out the servo motors. Now to run an operation like a flood print cycle, I would simply put the panel in and hit the start button. Of course, on this model, all the features are adjustable: print speeds, flood speeds, whether or not you use the ISO print feature. There's 3 preset flood arrangements already built into the machine. Very, very versatile machine. The software has been perfected years ago, and very easy to operate. The DP1500 is very convenient to plug in and operate. The overall length of the machine is only 100 inches by less than 3 feet wide. In the US and Canada, it runs on 120 volt single-phase power. For our overseas customers, we make it 220 volt for convenience, 5 CFM of 100 PSI air. 2 cycle start switches. And once again, it is very easy to disassemble, take apart for cleaning or operation or panel size changes. You have what we call the ISO print squeegee, which is used to clean the dots off of the screen. We have our regular print squeegee, which is standard 70 durometer squeegee rubber. We have flood bar, easy to remove ink trays. One feature of a circuit automation machine is you can cue the machine up with very little ink, less than 2 kilos, less than 1 kilo on each side, so 2 kilos total to run the machine. And the screen frames accommodates either stretch and glue like this frame or the traditional self-tensioning frames. Very easy to get to, very easy to clean. Very convenient machine in a very small package. Productivity on a normal 18 by 24 inch panel is 2 panels per minute.
Oh, still going.
That's good. Okay, 1500 2X can accommodate panels as small as 12 inches high all the way up to 30 inch high panel. And by putting the machine in manual and adjusting the panel height button, the machine moves from one height to the next. also, there's a thickness control to adjust for the thickness of the track on the bottom. So it's very simple to adjust panel height, up and down. All the print settings go with it, so once the machine is properly set up, from panel height to panel height, size to size, is no operator input required except for simply adjusting the height to the proper height. DP1500 had many innovative features, especially operator changing and ability to get to the machine, to clean the machine properly. So, from example, in order to operate the machine safely, the inner locks have to be closed, and I will load a panel in. The panel is now centered in the coating chamber, and if I want to move it up to check it, this model has what we call swing out arms. And this is the enhanced version swing out arms, which not only swing out to make for very easy cleaning or panel height changes or any other thing the operator might do, it also makes it very easy to clean the ink trough or the flood bars. Speed is of importance in production. A lot of our customers are small to medium-sized prototype shops that do a lot of color changes and a lot of switching panel sizes from job to job. This machine makes it very simple and easy to accomplish these tasks. So